Ever pondered over making money online as a writer? In an age where digital possibilities are endless, leveraging your writing prowess to generate income isn't just a far-fetched idea. It's a reality for many. The art of crafting words that captivate, inform, and engage is highly sought after in the online sphere. Whether for blogs, ebooks, or marketing content, quality writing is in high demand. Making money online as a writer is not only possible, but it's also more accessible than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you embark on your online writing journey. Let's dive in. Step 1 is choosing a niche. It's crucial to specialize in a specific area or genre. You might be tempted to cover all bases, but remember, a jack of all trades is a master of none. Specializing allows you to become an expert in your field, and experts are always in high demand. Whether it's travel, tech, fashion, or finance, find your corner of the writing world and make it your own. Next up is building a portfolio. This is your showcase, your shop window. It's where potential clients will get a taste of your style, tone, and skill. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, having a collection of writing samples is essential. It could be a blog, a website, or a portfolio platform. The medium doesn't matter as long as it displays your best work. On to step 3, finding clients. There's a plethora of platforms where writers can find work. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are a good starting point. But don't limit yourself to these. Explore niche job boards, join writing communities, and network both online and offline. Remember, every connection is a potential opportunity. Step 4 is all about setting rates. Deciding what to charge for your writing services can be a bit tricky. It's a balancing act between what you feel your work is worth and what the market is willing to pay. Research your niche, understand the industry standards, but most importantly, know your worth. Finally, step 5, marketing. Promoting yourself and your work is an integral part of being a successful online writer. Use social media, SEO strategies, and personal branding to your advantage. Create a unique voice, build an online presence, and let the world know you're open for business. With these steps, you are well on your way to becoming a successful online writer. You are now equipped with the knowledge to start making money online as a writer. We've walked through the steps together, from finding your niche and honing your craft, to marketing yourself and securing gigs. Each step is a crucial cog in the grand machine of online writing. Remember, your unique voice is your greatest asset. So why wait? Start your online writing journey today and make your mark in the world of words.